Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Sorry for the delay. Sorry for being late. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Today's Wednesday, June 29th, and let's get right into it. We got the market about to open in like 3 minutes. So what you have here, all I did, we had a huge push down yesterday. I caught 70 of the 700 pips that it fucking fell. I was in at the down near top about 30 minutes or 30 pips from the top. And so I drew the fib from the top right here, and I see two areas of interest. This golden zone ILC right here, right? This 50% ILC right here that's been respected already twice. And now we have this resistance to support, support, resistance, 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 support, resistance, right? Now we have more resistance here. Now this area does look good. I might take this out here if we don't see too much of a push at open. So we'll see either way. But what I'm thinking is it probably might respect this area depending how this candle finishes right here. We got 2 minutes, so we'll see exactly how it does finish. But I like something like this for this trade. And I think we could take it down there to the 61.8. Will it do that? Let's see. But this is what I'd like to see right here. So news is pretty bad. Um, Let me see here. Let me just bring it over here right now. So news is pretty bad right now. Final GDP minus 1.6%, less than or more than what they expected. We have something else. We had Meister speak earlier. Oh, Fed House spoke already. Yeah, so we'll see right now. See what it gives us. All right, it looks pretty decent to keep this trend down. Let me get my charts up on this side. So right now it's sitting on top of the 5 minute. Um, all right, it's go time, baby. Seems like it's rejecting. All right, I just added some positions right now. Let's see if it keeps it though. I just added a small 0.03 right now. Oh, I have 1.03 right there. Let's see if it goes up into our zone. I like that rejection. See if it comes down our way right now. Got about 13 seconds. It's pretty tricky right now, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what it gives us. So I have my positions in. Essentially in like, all right, let's see if it can continue this push down. I got a few positions in. See if I can take this down to the downside. Uh, that doesn't look too good on the 1 minute, but we'll see if the 5 minute goes ahead and does what we want it to do. I got a few positions in right now. Let's go. See if it can keep this down to the downside. It has to break through the support level, right? So once we break through the support level, then we'll know if we got a real move to the downside right here. Still 3 minutes left, so it can reject this and push up. But let's see. I'm going to secure some profit on my bottom position right here. Just secured that. I'm up pretty big right now. I ain't going to lie. Let's see if we could take this down to the downside. I'm going to close my second bottom position right now. And I'm going to keep the rest riding now. So I'm at 213 for the day. Let's see here. Move stops to break even for sure. Move stops to break even everywhere. See if it can keep it. See if it can keep it. So I've already secured about $200 for the day. Now let's see if it can go ahead and keep this to go down to the downside now. So my entries are at 42, 46, and 43. And like I said, I've already secured some profits already. Let's go, man. I'm going to secure another one just so I can get it out the way. I secured another one. Let's go, man. I'm up big for the day. I'm up real big for the day. So last one, I'm not even gonna move it really. I've closed every position except my top position. Um, we're up about 80 pips right now. Is that about right? Yeah, just about. All right, so I'm up pretty good for the day. I'm gonna let this ride out to fruition down here to the 61.8%. We'll see what happens. Let's go. Got a little bit of a retracement coming up. Let's see if it can hold it. That's the biggest thing. Let's see if it can hold this position. Kind of looks like it's using this level as a little bit of resistance area. So let's see if we could go ahead and hold it this way to the downside. If it can stay below here. Either way, I do like where it should continue to head down this way. I think so. So we'll see. But I'm happy with the profits today. I risked a bit. I ain't gonna lie. I risked a bit. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. About 673 in about motherfucking 5 minutes. Let's fucking go, man. But I did risk a bit. You know what I mean? I had one, two, three, four, five positions. That's a .15 that I had in there, and I got to get better at holding my positions all the way through. But at the end of the day, you just got to secure it, right? Secure the dollars, leave it at that. Yeah, this next one I'm gonna hold all the way. Says I'm in right about here. That sounds about right. Take this down about 200 pips. Let's see, 646, 4. I mean, it's pushing up pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't come all the way back up. That'd be crazy. Now we got to see if it's going to use this area as resistance, right? This support, 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 support. Now let's see if it could use it as resistance and come down. Got about a minute and then some change, a minute and a half, to see if this can fall out of here. I like the rejection, but I'd like to see it finish like here. You know what I mean? A big rejection wick and see it finish out. Let's see what the 1 minute's looking like. There's still a lot of pull to the upside. You can see how it's wick, wick, wick. It's like rejecting. It's getting pulled from the downside up, right? But I like the way this one finished right here. See if it could continue the momentum down, rejecting the 20 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Let's see. All right. See if it can continue this downside, downslide. Let's see. Let's go. See if it can continue this push. See if it can continue this downslide. It looks decent. It finished pretty smooth on the 5 minute. So look at how the 5 minute finished. Remember I told you I wanted it to finish outside of this box, right? Long rejection wick, finished outside of the bottom of the 4 hour ILC. Now we're looking to hold this to the downside, right? So let's see if we can keep it now. It's easy to get it, but can you keep it, motherfucker? Let's go, man. You can still reject this and push up. You can definitely do that, so be wary of that. But let's see if it can do its thing to the downside. Mm, look at that. Another rejection wick, right? So we still got the 15-minute candle, right? We still got 4 minutes for this. I want to definitely see the 15-minute finish outside of this. I don't want to see it finish up here, right? That wouldn't be too that wouldn't be great. And we got this right here as well. This area and this area. So I'll probably take some partial profits at this point right here, and then I'll probably take the rest of it here. So that'll be my plan. But you see how it's pushing up out of this zone? I don't want to see that. I want to see it finish down below. And I'd like to see this one finish bearish. We need this to finish bearish. All right, looks like it might continue its way down. Still got 2 minutes left, or a minute and a half left. Let's see if we can continue this push. See, I like the way that looks. We still got a minute left. Hopefully it can break through here. At least finish right here. I don't want to see it push up and turn bullish, a green candle. Yeah, so that finished cool. Let's see if it can hold it, because you could see, right? And there's a little bit of a support level right here. Here we could all see that. Boom. Right? A little bit of support. So let's see if it can break below here. Got about 20 seconds. Let's see how this 15-minute finishes. Yeah, you see how it's not pushing through it? We needed to fall through there. But we're up about 83 pips, 85 pips. I think this trade could go 200. So let's see. All right, let's see. Man, I just found out I have over 75,000 emails on my email, and that's what's taking up a lot of my shit. A lot of my space. Let's go. Just past the 100 pip mark. Just got past that 100 pip mark right now. Let's see if we can continue. It's a big rejection. Big rejection. Probably should have taken some profit right there, but whatever. You know what? I just pulled a .01, 80 pips. That put me at 750 for the day. Now I'm gonna let the rest ride. Let's see if we can keep it below. I don't like it, but let's see if we can continue down. I got my stops at break even now, so my stops are down here. All right. See if we can finish this push down. If it could reject this and come down, I'll feel more confident, but we need this thing to come out of here, like out of the zone. Because remember what we were talking about yesterday about like exhaustion? Even though this candle passed this candle, this wick, was on top of this wick. If we see it come down out of here, we could still see the next one flip down. But if we see it engulfing like this now into the zone, now it's looking a little different. So we needed to fall out of the bottom of this zone and finish down here. So we got about 40 seconds for it to do that. Let's see if it does. Yeah, that ain't good. That's not a solid finish that you want to see. Um, so we'll see. I'm gonna let it ride out. I mean, maybe I should have closed the whole thing. I would have finished at like a $900 day, but um, we'll see right now what it does. It looks like it's rejecting the 1 minute 20 EMA. It's sitting on top of it. So if it was rejecting it, we'd see it sit down, right? But you see it reject every candle, whatever the opposite of exhaustion, right? Looks like every candle's building up, pushing up to the upside. So that's a big retracement. See if it rejects this area right here, right? Hopefully it rejects it and comes down. Yeah, that finished way too crazy for me. Let's see what it does here because we have the 15-minute 50 EMA right here, right? But if it finishes way up here, then that's something different. Actually, I'm gonna stay away. I'm done. Let me stay away from this and not be greedy. 759 for the day. I'll take that. It might reject and come down right here. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna get out of it, and I'm gonna be done for the day. Yeah, you know what? Let me stay away before I start buying shit. I don't want to buy shit right now. Not buying, but selling shit. You know what I mean? Taking this area as a sell-off area. Um, what do you call it? So finish with 750 for the day. I'll take it. Um, we had a good day today, and we'll just leave it at that. You know what I mean? We don't need to overtrade at this point, and yeah, you know what I mean. So overall, I think it was a good trade. I think we're able to capture what we needed and wanted to capture. All right, I'm gonna go get my son. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. We were able to catch, basically 85 of the 106 pips. Which isn't bad. We were gonna hold all the way down to fruition, but we didn't because we got stopped out, right? So at the end of the day, who cares? That's all that matters. And yeah, we made some money today. That's all that matters. And again, that's why I take my trades where I do. You know what I mean? I'll catch you guys later on the next one. You guys have a good day.